Today we're going to make a cover for our new YouTube channel. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to make sure we're in Canva, that's the software we're going to use, and we're going to click social media channel. Scroll through till we find YouTube, and that's what we want, a YouTube banner, so perfect. Oh, actually, I'll just check, we've got, yep, YouTube banner. You can also type in here, before I was YouTube channel banner as well, and that works too. Now it gives you some templates here. Of course, the ones with the little crowns on them are the ones that you have to pay for. Now beautifully it's given ones where with the settings on the page they'll see the important information. So let's go in here and make one. We'll just use one of these templates that we've got here. We'll customize it. Alright, so let's take out this background image. We'll remove it and we'll pop our own in. So we're going to go down to our photos, but we're going to choose a background, and let's pick this one. Oh, it's a pro one, we won't pick that one. Let's go for this one. And we're going to up to position, and we're going to send it to the back. And let's resize it. Now there's some text here. We don't want this text, so we're going to ungroup and delete it. Excellent. Alright, we're going to make it for our new YouTube channel called Learn Create Tech. So let's write that in. And we'll just move that. We don't want this here. Delete frame. I'm going to delete the whole image. We don't want any of it. Oh, there's a lot of it there. Very creative of that person. We might keep their subscribe now button here. We don't want the website details here either. And we don't want to know it's every week. We might change this to Learning Tech. Learning Tech. There's our little slogan. Oops, undo. Didn't mean to do that. Let's move that over. There we go. And we're going to move that one over. Keeping it nice and simple. Don't want that anymore either. Okay, so we've got a very simple design. We could probably put something, a picture or something else in it. Might just line that one up a little more. That subscribe button. Everyone likes to remind people to subscribe. I'm just trying to get the mouse around it so I can actually move it. There we go. Alright, let's find an element. Let's look for a little computer to put on it. And find one that's free, preferably, go desktop shall we? Preferably one that's graphics. Let's have a look. That'll do. We don't want it that big, we'll make it nice and small. We'll stick it up here. Okay, here we go. Now once you've got your design perfected, the next thing is to actually download it. So it looks great here, but do we actually have it fitting within what we need for YouTube? So let's go to share, let's go to download, and we're just waiting for it to download. Actually, it's downloading as a GIF, which is cool. Alright, now let's see if we've actually accidentally downloaded that as a gift. So let's also download as a PNG as well. Let's see if a gift actually works. If not, we'll use the PNG version. Alright, so we have our channel here. We're actually going to go in and customize it. Oh, switch account, so we're actually on it. And we're going into the actual channel to customize. Right, customize channel, and let's see how it would look putting our in the branding. We're going to put up our new logo, so we'll go to change. Here's the one we've just downloaded. We should have fixed the name up on it, and there we go. So you can see if we were going to use it, this is how it would look. How cool is that? Now I think we were only able to put the JPEG version in. Let's have a look if we can actually put it in our video watermark. So let's go here. It says we can use a GIF, and not sure what happened to our GIF file. It's not there at the moment. We'll go back and have a look for that. Right, now let's see if we can do that. There it is. We probably should have named it. Anyway, so customize video watermark. Alright, let's go done. So we've left that one on there so we can have a look at it. Try video, and let's publish. Alright, it's now published. Let's go to the channel and have a look. Now I think we didn't put our new one up there. We should have done that. So let's put the new one up. I should fix the name up for that. Anyway, done. And publish again. And we'll just view it. It's still showing our other one, so let's just refresh it, give it some time. Always find it takes a little time for YouTube to catch up with any changes that you make. There you go. There it is in now. We don't have any playlists or anything yet, but we do have our new banner in there.